Okay, we're going to work on how you set up your email. So we're going to go back to the flow that we were working on the other day, and we're going to open our page flow. We set up this email, okay? All right, but let's assume that we are starting. So we don't have yet a SMTP connection, so we have to create a new one. When we select to create an SMTP connection, it's actually very simple. You create your own SMTP connection where you put your name, can be, for example, email that you use for customer service or email for admin. You can create any sort of description that you want. You have to put your URL, whether it's Gmail, your email provider will tell you. You can Google the information that you need to put for the SMTP URL and port. And then you have to put your login information, obviously. So it's very simple. By following these rules, you basically create your own SMTP connection. And then you can choose whether or not it's primary, meaning whether or not your this email address and this connection that you have set up will be the one that the system will offer you in default. Now, that's one option. The other option is to use SalesJet built-in mailing system. That means that although it will appear as your email, you're actually using the internal email system of SalesJet. And I'm going to put here an email, a name. Oh, this connection might be welcome. Email. And so maybe you want it to come from your team, okay? And then you can choose the email that these emails will come from. So you can choose welcome email, and then the name that you want those emails to be sent from, and then the email that you want people to reply to. So in this case, what will happen is that the system will send email. The email that will appear is Andrea Agostini, and then the reply, when people will reply to the emails, will be sent to info@andreaagostini.com. Now, just by doing this, you have created a new email connection. And you can obviously test it before starting your marketing activities. We're going to test it right now. We just received the email, and here you go. We just received the email that gives us the certainty that our email system works. Perfect. So it is very simple. Okay, you can create email connections, and you can connect it to your own email address, or you can use an internal emailing system. You can use an existing template, or you can create a new one. The platform allows you to do both. You can save your own templates, or start from scratches. You can use different email connections, so that you're able to start operating with SalesJet from the moment you open the platform. You can set up the email in a few minutes and be ready to communicate and ready to go. Same things for messages and phone calls, which is what we're going to take a look at next.